You're watching Terra TV, the weather channel in the San Francisco Bay Area. Up next, it's Super Anna. On your way here.
The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning. I repeat, National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for coastal areas of northern and central California, including the following counties: Sonoma, Marin, Napa, San Francisco, San Mateo, Contra Costa, Alameda, Santa Clara, Santa Cruz, and Monterey counties. An earthquake with a magnitude of 8.9 has been detected approximately 38 miles north and 142 miles east of Honshu, Japan at approximately 9:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please listen for further information from your local authorities regarding any evacuations or plans of actions recommended for your area. Estimated wave arrival time for San Francisco is 8:08 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bulletins will be issued hourly or sooner if conditions warrant. A tsunami warning remains in effect until further notice. Please refer to the internet site wcatwc.noaa.gov for more information and estimated time of arrival sites.